The agony and suffering of some local government staff legitimately employed 2011, 2012 but illegitimately disengaged by the previous administration 2017 will soon smiles as Governor Hyacinth Alia has ordered for restoration of justice to affected workers. Benue Local Government Services Commission has since embarked on the screening exercise to identify living and available workers who were genuinely employed and unjustly removed, with no plans to replace anyone or substitute names. Addressing the concerns surrounding the screening of disengaged local government staff, the chairman Benue Local Government Commission, Mr. James Ivor, said the commission is reviewing the employment status of 3,862 workers who were employed but disengaged in 2017 without due process.
When they were unceremoniously removed from the payroll, there was so much outcry, and that outcry was justified too, because no reason was given for their disengagement from service. The commission that employed them did not disengage them. So, with a regime that is people's welfare oriented, and the current service commission as constituted by His Excellency decided to look into it and then put forward a request to His Excellency to review on the process and possibly re-engage them. That is what we are doing.
Explaining some concerns raised by journalists, the chairman of the commission has assured that the screening exercise will be transparent and fair, with a desk set up to take records of those with peculiar circumstances. He disclosed that he has also opened negotiations with representatives of the affected workers and reached an amicable understanding as regarding the salaries owed the affected workers.
The commission is dealing strictly with those approvals that the previous commission gave. If you come, you might have your appointment letters, no matter the method you got it, you were placed on the payroll, you were enjoying your salary, but then the commission is relying strictly on those approvals we consider legitimate. So there has been deliberate attempt to blackmail the commission by saying those people that came through the back door and found themselves on the payroll started building some uncharitable campaign that I came and my name was removed and substituted with another. There is nothing like that.
Speaking on behalf of the union, the NUJ chairman Commissioner Benue said, "The ongoing screening exercise addresses a matter of great concern to the people of the state and commend the Benue State Government and the Local Government Services Commission for revisiting the plight of affected workers."
For taking steps to visit the plight of these affected workers, many of whom have endured hardship for over a decade. We believe this exercise, properly educated, will not only bring justice to deserving individuals, but also restore confidence in the system and strengthen public trust in government institutions. As journalists, our role remains to ensure that the public is accurately informed and that the process is reported with fairness and balance. We urge all stakeholders to cooperate fully with the Commission to ensure that the screening is transparent, thorough, and free from any political or personal biases.
A visit to the screening venue saw some workers who were expecting to be part of the screening exercise, but their names were not on the list, were seen discussing and lamenting, questioning why their names were excluded, especially since they were part of previous screening by the Commission.